Panels, will you justify the woman to be exploited and involved in crimes? Three fatal points of the government that automatically make them lose in this debate. First, the government failed to bring the contextualization of the word and how the society is worked. So they say they doesn't fully understand the word condition and all of their argument was become invalid. And secondly, the government are not making a mechanism to protect the woman from being risky exploited to the motion that only allows the men to have a firearms. But third point, the government said repeatedly about the over masculinity, but they cannot explain when the over masculinity is bad for the society and why if it gone the world will be better. So let's move into our characterization panels. There are 3 points that we need to clarify in this debate. 3 points of clarification panels. First, we think that this debate is happening in the United States, when firearms ownership are legal and even protected by the amendment as a basic right for the people. By making this motion happen, that will only make the people angry, but also make a armed resistance that happen because of this motion. And secondly, about the firearms license itself. It's not that easy to get it. You have to fulfill all of the parameters if you want to own it. You must take a test. You must doing a psychological test. And I think that this is enough because so we can have a point that only a responsible and rational human, both men and women, that can only have a firearms. But third point, we believe that women is also a vulnerable actor in this debate. They have different capabilities. They have different capacities from the men. They are feminine, and because of this, making gun ownership only belongs to women will only making their situation worse because they will be seen as a tool to get a gun for the men. So let's talk about our stance and goals in this debate. 3 points panels. First, we will show to you why women will be exploited in the government side, so there is no urgency for this motion to happen. But secondly, we also prove to you that not all men have a bad intention when they have a guns. But third point, by allowing only a woman that can have a firearms is not only doesn't solve the problem, but also just make new problems. As our burden of proof in this debate panels, 3 points that we need proof to you. First, women can be exploited as a tool to have legal firearms for the men since they can have them. This is not only bad for the woman, but will also make the supervision from the government more hard to do. This will not happen in our sides since you doesn't ban the gun license and ownership from the men, and women will be safe from the exploitation of the gun in our side, and also make the government supervision of the ownership of gun is easier. And secondly, not all men that have a gun have a bad intention. I think that government is also agree with us since they say that they will ban the men from the guns. And I think that the government is agree that guns is not only used by men as a killing tools, but also as sporting and hunting tools eventually. But in third point, because with all this that I said before, we can clearly see that the banning guns for the men was just a stupid action that makes the situation worse, because instead of solving the problems in the status quo, you just make the situation worse with your new problems with this motion. And I think that the status quo is already progressive since you have 4 points panels. First, it hurts to get a gun license. You must get a test and fulfill all the parameters. But secondly, you have a law enforcement in your side that will be keeping the law rights in the people, keeping the society safe. But thirdly, I think you have a morality when you have a firearm from your good intention. We will not killing people if not for your self-defending. And the 4th point, you are still worse with the society. I think that society is still watching what you do and will correct you if you're doing wrong. So as the obligation, you will not doing any stupid action. With all this thing, this is strengthen our argument panels. And one point of argumentation panels. 1. We want to protect the woman from being exploited. Panels, let's see a world where this motion doesn't exist. Women doesn't need to worry about their safety and risk of being exploited from a gun ownership by men, as simple as there are not any concern for them to do so because they can directly own a gun with fulfilling all the parameters, all the requirements to get a license. The comparison is in the government side. Women will be exploited by men because this is the most easy way for them to get a legal firearms. But also this will make the woman to be get exploited. The comparison is in and because it is, I think that woman exploitation is dangerous. Why woman exploitation is dangerous, panels? Because they are not aligned with our moral value, panels, and they are not meeting the principality of woman protection. And so if you reject this motion, not only we save a woman from the exploitation, but also from the criminalization. What is the mechanization? By allowing all gender to have a right from the firearms, you will be eliminating the argument of involving the woman in crime activity such as robbery, gang wars, or even misuse of the gun license for the woman by men. So in the end, last woman will be involved in crimes, and the woman crime rate will be not that high in our side. Even their best scenario, even in government side, their best scenario is not that exclusive in all of their good value is also happen in our side, right? What is the best scenario of the government side? I think that they say that they want a crime rate will be low. I think that the low criminal rate is not exclusive since the low criminal rate is also can be achievable for us with a few mechanisms such as more strict regulation and more direct law enforcement from the state. I think that even worse inter scenario is they will have a crime action that involving the woman in this process, and the woman will be viewed as a tool to get a firearms. But I think that all of their bad value will be not happen in our side, and the bad thing that happen to us will be still happen in the government side, panels. Our worst scenario, panels. I think that the gun masculinity, I think that the using of gun involving in a gun crime is still high. But I think that the gun involved in the crime is not exclusive in our side and will be still happen in government side. But in the best scenario, you will save the woman from the firearms exploitation, but also fulfill the needs of men to have a firearms. So because of this, I think that we are win in this debate, proud to be in the opposition side.